Good morning, everybody, and thanks a lot for watching and encouraging me. Now I'm having a few classes for these all, but these all are very particular. If you are really interested, you may learn something out of my these all classes. Today I have brought to you naming names. This heading may not be very clear to you because this is very new for you all people. Naming meaning of thereby, if you call somebody Ravan, it means you are telling him the person was stubborn, the person was adamant. In the same way, if you call somebody Hitler, it means you are trying to show that you are going to tell him a cruel person, a person who will not abide by any rules and regulations. So like this, there are many such words in literature, in history, that those all are now a replica for their personality, or we derive many things out of their personality. So those all are now names and having naming now. So like this you see, if you talk like a Scrooge, so as soon as you talk about a Scrooge, like you say that he is a Scrooge, it means he is stingy or he is mean. It means if you say that he is Shakespeare, it means a personality like a scholar comes in your mind. In the same way, if you tell somebody Einstein, a genius comes in your mind. So this is the thing. So a Scrooge, like if you talk that he is Shakespeare, means a scholar. In this way there are many. Like we also talk in Hindi. वो बहुत खड़ूस है. खड़ूस means he is very stingy. He doesn't want to spend even a penny for others. It means he is Scrooge. He is stingy. Shakespeare, like this. So these all are many names which are now symbol for doing something. Okay, before I write something, I want to say thank you to those all people who have been watching and encouraging me. A few of them are Tanya and Anu from Panipat, Haryana, Rahul Dubey from Gwalior, Ranjan Dubey, Sultanganj, Manu Negi, Manish Yadav, Sunil Kumar Rajneesh, Churu Rajasthan, Rajiv Kumar, Divakar Singh, and many so such friends are who are encouraging me. Like what I am writing, Adonis. You see. So this Adonis means a beautiful youth. Now see, I am writing here youth, not a young boy. Youth I am writing here. And see, this is youth that is adored by Aphrodite, a capital A. Aphrodite is a goddess of love and beauty in Greece. A goddess of love and beauty. So this can be used for either sex, Adonis. Now, suppose I write word Caliban. So Caliban was a character in The Tempest written by Shakespeare, a person who has deformed face and personality. Neither he has very good personality nor physique. Like in Indian literature you find Ashtavakra. So like that actually you see. So if you talk that he is Caliban, means he doesn't have proper personality. Okay, a person having like deformed. personality, deformed personality, or physique. In the same way, if you talk about, if you call somebody Casanova, means you tell him Romeo, you tell him playboy, you tell him womanizer, you tell him paramour. Means a ladies man. So the word is used negatively. A ladies man means a person who tries to allure ladies. So he is womanizer. And many such names can be given, like admirer, care, lover. In the same way, Cassandra. Cassandra, a prophet of doom. Meaning, you see, a person who always prophecies, having a prophecy of negative things. So like a prophet of doom means simply you can say that he is killjoy. He talks negative about future. So that Cassandra. In the same way, Galahad. A person who is having gallant, a gallant one, a powerful person, Galahad. Jezebel, that is spelling J-E, not J. Shamelessly immoral lady. A lady who has no character. But I should write here woman, because lady is a very good word. Lady is feminine gender of Lord. So woman is better expression here. If I write here Martha, if I talk someone, Martha means a warrior. This has also been described in many plays. In poems too. Like what is Mata Hari. Mata Hari was a lady spy. She spied for France and Germany, but later on she was executed in France. A female spy, that a lady spy, Mata Hari. Now, Micawber. Micawber is a person who always thinks positive, even having many misfortunes in his life. Still he thinks positive. In the novel of Charles Dickens, it has been described, and that is the novel name is David Copperfield. So there it has been described that he was having a lot of misfortunes, still he was thinking positive. A very positive thinker. Despite all misfortunes, Mikaber. Now what is, like, if you call somebody Midas from the Greek stories, you might have heard this word. Midas, king, and he was having a gift of golden touch. So see, Midas, a man of so a story known to you that whatever he was touching, turning good. And the result was very devastating. Rasputin, you see. Rasputine. Rasputin was one of the courtiers or one of the persons in the court of Tsar. Tsar means Rasa, like you see here. Tsar. In the court of Tsar, like in the parliament of Mrs. Indira Gandhi, there was Chandraswamy. He was having very good influence over all the people. Like Rasputin was having very good influence. Means a faith healer. In literary word, a faith healer, the person who has very good influence over the people. Even he has some negative saying or doings, still he influences people well. That is Rasputin. Now, Robespierre from France. Like in India we find just Tamerlan. So if from France, Robespierre, he was one of the characters to create a reign of terror. A person formed or created a reign of terror, means a cruel person. He ordered to kill many people. I mean, he was responsible for the genocide in France, then in French Revolution. And last one is Walter Mitty. Walter Mitty. Walter Mitty of James won novel The Secret of Character of The Secret Life of Walter Mitty, James Thurber. James Thurber wrote in 1939 The Secret Life of Walter Mitty, meaning thereby he was totally daydreamer. So this Walter Mitty stands for daydreamer. Okay, and even that was very impractical. Here we do say in the classes that try to be practical, try to be pragmatic. You should have dream, and for that you should be up and doing. Otherwise, that will be fantasy. So this is all about the words I have brought, choosing from literature or the history. Some more new things I'll be doing tomorrow, and these all have importance only when you are keen in learning English. This is all about for today. Thank you for watching me.